Let's create a skill in Claude Code. First, you need to go to settings, then capabilities, and inside the skill section, you will find example skills. Inside example skills, you have a skill creator. This skill creator is the special skill created by Claude to create new skills. Now you just have to go to your skills, go to add and create new skill using Claude. It is going to ask you some questions and then you have to tell that what kind of a skill you want to create using Claude. So here we are creating a skill with which we can get some buy sell recommendations for stocks. It is asking some follow-up questions. So we'll just answer those. And then we'll ask it to go ahead. So now it's creating the skill. So what exactly is a skill here? A skill is a reusable component like a tool, but this time it is more than that. It's actually a sub-agent. Now that sub-agent is something which Claude Code will be able to use on demand whenever we ask for it. Now what that sub-agent has to do, that instructions are mentioned inside this MD file, skill.md file. It is making some changes to the skill.md file. It is enhancing it. And finally, it is packaging the skill into something called .skill file. As we can see at the bottom, we have Stock Analyser Skill file. Now we can download that .skill file or we can directly copy it to the skill section. We'll go ahead, we'll look at the details of the skill and then copy it to our skills. Once we click on that, we can manage our skill from here. Now next time I'm going to go to the chat window, I can directly ask it, analyze the stock. So here I'm asking it to analyze the Reliance Industries. Now it is going to do a lot of things with it. It is first going to do a Google search. It is trying to extract information from multiple sources. Then it is trying to create a comprehensive report on whether to buy, sell or hold this particular stock. So we have got the final recommendation. Now let's look at the overall report. So if you like this video, please do comment on which skill you would like to build using Claude Skills and subscribe for more such videos.